Hey guys, so we just found this great new teacher tool. It's called Class Dojo. It's a very interactive lesson. First, you can create your own class, so you can have your individual students like Beyonce, Denzel, and then you can give feedback to Beyonce. So say she's doing a great job helping others, you can give her a +1. Same with Denzel. Say he needs to work on something, listening, for example. So she gave him -1 point for listening. You can also do whole class. If they're all doing a great job, you can give them a thumbs up for being on task, stuff like that. Also, we're going to click on the portfolio tab, and here you can do activities. You can create your own. We created one called Draw Your Favorite Animal. So this, you can let students log in and do this, and they can all see it. Or we're just going to go ahead and click Create New Activity. You can describe the activity, have the name here in the instructions, and then on this side where my pointer is, students will be able to submit a text entry, a video recording, photos, drawing, anything you would like them to do. So we're going to click on here and we're going to write your favorite book. We want a text entry. So we're going to write, can be any book you would like. So then we're going to assign that, and then they're able to do that.
And then you can use a class story, which is a great place to connect with the students and the parents, because you can tell them what's going on in your classroom. Like today we learned about the different animals in an ecosystem. And then you can post that, and the parents or the students can like it, or the students can comment back, or the parents can comment back. And you can also do upcoming events on this site. It kind of looks like a Twitter post. You can create events, and then you can okay.
It's
And
just
then
really
you can
great.
go to messages. You can create a message to all parents. You can send it to just one parent. And you can send messages to students if they need to work on stuff, but it's just a great tool to stay connected with the students and the parents and have them know what's going on.
It's very interactive and everything's done right on here, so it's really easy to access, and applies technology in the classroom, which is important.